Welcome to part 5, Finding New Waves. You may believe that it's necessary to detect the beginning and the end of case waves in order to place our model directly at the beginning. Well, it turns out that it's not necessary, and that's a good thing because in practice it's very difficult to detect the beginning or end of a wave, and there is no concrete definition for what it means to be at the start or the end. And the reason it's not necessary is because our model is capable of shifting both vertically and horizontally. So even if we start modeling towards the middle or even the end of a case wave, our model should be able to move horizontally and vertically to align right where it is, wherever it is on the in the wave. So to show you how this works, we're going to model some cases from different areas of the world that are not from the beginning. So all of our models thus far have been built from a known beginning of a wave. And in these cases, we will start modeling from the middle of a wave. So here we have Italy, and we're going to model from this will be the training area, training dates from March 20th through April 10th. So you can see here, March 20th goes over here. So there's lots of, this is sort of towards the middle of this wave. It's already at 50,000. This is the first wave, so it began at 0. So our inputs are not from the very beginning. Our inputs are from March 20th, so already from here to this point. And then you can see it actually does fairly well on the unseen part past April 10th over here. So that's just one example. Of course, we're not going to expect to get this good results for all of them. If we look at the United Kingdom, we're going to start on April 10th and go to May 10th. So we'll see a month of data. And this is its first wave, and you can see there's lots of cases that happened beforehand. And in this instance, the model doesn't do quite as well, but it's still able to correctly determine that it's towards the end of the logistic function, towards the asymptote. And we'll get one more example. Here we're going to look at New York State from April 10th through May 10th. And here, again, there's already been many cases before this. Our model is just starting right here at this point. It sees nothing before this point, and it's able to correctly or make a decent model over here for the rest of the curve. So in summary, detecting new waves is not necessary, and that's because our model is capable of shifting both vertically and horizontally.